Hello everyone. To create a new project in VJ Director, click on this icon. After that, it will pop up a window for you. Inside here, it has a lot of profile for you to choose. Select the profile you want. Then you can select the amount of channel you want. And do some configuration here for the interlace and for the audio. By default, it will use Untitled as your project name, so you can change the project name right here, for example demo, and click the browse button to change your directory. In this video, I'll be using desktop. After that, click OK. This will be the VJ Director interface with the amount of channel you set just now. So let's go to the directory we saved, which is desktop, and then the project file is right here, and the name will be the demo. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.